What's up guys, my name is Casey. Welcome to Project 10s. Today we're going to be doing an install of the MSD two-step on the 2011 Mustang GT. There's the controller box, wiring harness, and the coil pack harness. One thing we're going to be doing a little bit different on the basic install is running a switch into the cab so that I can turn it on and off. Should help with burnouts in the water box. That way I'm not limited to whatever I set my rev limiter at when I have the clutch in, and I can drop the clutch a little higher. Give you a quick shot of that. So we got the switch up here, gonna be running a harness down. The switch will run to the clutch pedal, then the harness will come out, connect to the rest of the MSD connection, so I'll be able to activate when the MSD is going and when it's not. So stick around. I'll show you the quick install of the coils, really easy with this harness, and we'll go from there. Alright guys, so the coil pack wiring harness went on really easy. As you'll see, the harness provides one clip that goes to your coil pack and one clip that goes into your factory harness. Both sides runs down nice and easy. And we have the main harness coming up to here. We'll probably be installing the MSD box somewhere back here. Now you do need to tap into the firewall to get into the cab. Let's see if you can get a picture of that. We have the sound tube delete. We're just going to be punching right through there. Alright guys, so I got the switch wired in. Give you a quick look. I'm not sure it's going to show up too well. Got the on-off switch up here. Tapped into the switch at the top of the clutch pedal. And then ran that wire through the firewall. Alright guys, so I got the install completed. It's not tucked away quite yet, but I want to show you just how it looks before I get all the wires tucked up. The coil pack's hooked onto the coil pack harness. Super easy. We got the wire coming in from the firewall through the sound tube delete. Comes up to the box. So on the connection, we do off the coil pack harness the black bundle to the red wire, the gray bundle to the brown bundle, and here it's just the black, brown, and white to the black, brown, and white. Now I tapped into the white with blue wire for my switch, which then runs to the clutch cable, and the dark blue wire, solid blue wire, is used as a ground if you're going to be running a hand switch to activate the two-step, which I won't be doing. So we got wires hanging everywhere. I'm going to tighten them up, bundle everything up, get it put away, and I'll show you the update here in a sec. Alright guys, so I do have the two-step installed and tucked away. As you can see, with the engine cover back on, you really can't even tell it's there. Some of the instructional videos show mounting it to the back of the intake box. I'm not a big fan of that. I used some double-sided sticky tape and got it tucked up right up in here. So what I'm going to do first is start it up. I'm going to do a couple revs without the two-step activated. I'll then turn it on. I'll do a real easy rev up to the two-step, and you can hear how it cuts off slightly, and then I'll do a full throttle rev. Check it out. guys, there you have it, the MSD two-step install on the 2011 Mustang GT. So you heard a little sound clip of it. Make sure you subscribe and stick around. We'll be taking it to the track, using it for what its purpose is intended for, getting that quicker launch off the line, dialing in the RPMs, getting off the tree as quick as we can, getting closer to 10s. Thanks. See you next time.